Hey, you know, just doing a little yard maintenance here. Good girl, Saylor. Good morning, everybody. This is Jake at Brookhaven Farms. Today, we're gonna work some sheep, baby. Let's go. Today, guys, we're gonna work some sheep. This right here is our Lakeland Farm and Ranch Direct working system. This is the 300 model. So we have a scale, we have a sweep tub here where you can run them in, push them through, and work them that way. We have cut gates, then we have a spin chute. We'll show you every little piece of this system. But one reason why I want to work these sheep today is we're going to move them out to pasture. We've been doing some deep bedding here during this nasty weather. But come on, guys, it's 65 and sunny outside. We need to get them sheep out on the grass, get them unrolling some hay for them. Man, am I excited. Today's a beautiful day. This is what farmers dream for, is weather like this, animals like we got, and we have some good help with us today, including Saylor. So anyway, guys, stick around if you want to know how to work sheep with the right equipment.
The major advantage to this system is you don't have to kill yourself while working through a bunch of sheep. So what we're doing here, guys, is we're going to use a panel as an extra set of hands and help us push those sheep into the tub system and get them down into our alleyway. Once we have our alleyway full, we can use them to check and see if they have worms. I'm going to show you that right here.
You take its eyelid like this and roll it up and roll it down. If the inside of our eyelid is pink, then it's not wormy. If it's white, that means it's anemic and it has worms.
This picture here shows you a good example of a sheep that has worms. This is a really helpful chart when determining whether your sheep might be a little wormy or not. You can print these off the internet and they can really help, so you have a side-by-side comparison. Also, we're checking for signs of pneumonia. Anytime you have a 20-degree change in temperature shift either way, so like 30 degrees at night and 50 during the day, you have a chance for pneumonia. So we're checking for snotty noses and anything like that. I always like to keep any medicine on hand in my backpack just in case.
So here's the deal, guys. We got all the sheep worked. Now, we're gonna take a sheep through that gate right there. We're gonna drive them up a driveway, all the way up behind the house, and back down the hill. It's a pretty good trip. The GoPro battery seems to quit working. So I'm gonna try my best to do it on my phone. Bear with me. Let's go. So now we're gonna have them go to the top of the hill and intersect the next one. Saylor, here! Tell you what, guys, get you a good dog. Saylor, here! Girl, Saylor, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. Here. Saylor, here. Saylor, here, that's a good girl, here. Good girl, here, good girl, here. So now we're getting them up the driveway here a little bit. Here. Oh, that's a little steep. That's a little steep. Saylor, here. Get him up that hill. Get him up a hill. Get him up that hill. Saylor, get him up a hill. Let's go. hard maintenance here. Good girl, Saylor. Good girl, Saylor. Good girl.